Hi, my name is Khan. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna explain how to separate a text file in Excel. Usually, so here is the process. We can see that the variable is has the responses like yes, and then after comma there are other responses. I just want to separate them. You can see yes, and then lady's response. These are the responses. What you have to do is basically you need to copy this variable in another sheet like this, and then the next step is to we are interested in if yes, like if yes, what is the other responses. So for that I'm just naming the main variable if yes. Always name that if yes, and then select two columns more. The first column is yes and no responses, and the other column is with the responses that are appeared after comma. So once you selected the two columns, then select the main variable and then go to data, select text to um, columns and then delimit. Next, select comma because we are interested to separate after comma, and then there no need to select any other because if you select this one, there will be a problem. Just press next, and then it's a preview. No need to do yeah, here you have to select it where you want your responses. I'm just selecting this cell. It's selected. Now just press finished. Press finish. Yeah, here you can see half the main variable which has main responses like yes and no, and the other responses in text. Usually these are the responses from the respondent. It's a data collection error basically. You can see that after yes, there the other response which was appeared after comma is placed in another column. So using this method, you can create frequency tables, cumulative frequency tables, and other useful statistics from Excel data. Here is again a practical demonstration. You can see every comma. Again, I'm showing you how to do the process. Follow these processes I'm showing you. Just follow and proceed.